Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction. Over here, you need to scroll down and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!